How to set a task. Let's take a report. In general, a task may only be set to a treatment operator who has access to the RepTool. Even if you find this treatment operator in the scroll down for acceptors, access may not be given to this operator, but you may see it if you use the three-dot button in the list of acceptors. As a company who wants to set a task to the next step operator, you have to ask the RepTool administrator to provide access for the treatment operator. For example, for an existing listed treatment operator, ask your administrator to provide access. For a new treatment operator, ask your administrator to insert this treatment operator and to give him access, or to create a new individual treatment partner and click the Shall Get RepTool Access checkbox and ask your RepTool administrator to provide access. When you choose a treatment operator who has got access, a green line following treatment data is provided by the acceptor with the task will appear. If you click the checkbox, a task is set and sent to this chosen treatment operator. Be aware, also with setting a task, you as reporter for a RepTool report will stay responsible. The data will be provided. So you have to agree with and in case remind your next step treatment partner to provide data.